Hello, welcome to American Baker in Germany. I'm Michelle, and today we are making a rainbow St. Patrick's Day cake with Russian piping tips. So let's get started. I must apologize for the quality of this video. I have had some major technical difficulties, and this is the best that I could salvage, which also explains the watermark on most of the video. I apologize for that, but I can't erase it. So this is all I had left of the original footage, so I promise that most of my videos are better quality. I stick my green vanilla cake down with a bit of Italian meringue buttercream. I then fill and crumb coat the cake in the buttercream as well. I split most of the rest of my buttercream into 6 different bowls and color them all the colors of the rainbow with gel food coloring. The red I had to add more to a couple of times. The orange I mixed yellow and a tiny drop of red food coloring. The green was also mixed with green and a drop of blue. Then I got out 6 piping bags and 6 Russian piping tips. I frosted my cake once more to cover the cake really well. I used all of the last of the white buttercream doing this. Once I was happy with my frosting job, I began piping the flowers on the cake with the Russian piping tips. These do take a bit of practice to pipe properly. Basically, though, it's just a squeeze and release. However, when it's as tall as you want it to be, stop the pressure and pull away quickly. That works about 90% of the time. The other 10% you can scrape off and try again. Here you can see the details you get with the Russian piping tips a bit better. I piped them on in rainbow order around the cake all the way up the sides. By the way, there's a rumor that you can't use Italian meringue buttercream with Russian piping tips, which I think we have successfully refuted. Here you can see what the sides looked like. The top I began in rainbow order in a circular form with red on the outside. Then orange, and then yellow. Then I only had enough space for one more flower, which I made blue, but I missed the rest of the rainbow, so I decided to pipe a couple more along the top to finish the rainbow with green, and purple. Then I made the blue one a bit taller. I was quite happy with this cake. So much color! I really love working with the Russian piping tips and will continue to use them whenever it makes sense to do so. Happy St. Patrick's Day! For a complete cake gallery, visit our website at AmericanBakeryInGermany.com. We're also on Facebook and Instagram. Don't forget to subscribe.